Right, this is the next stage. This is the underpainting stage, where I need to start applying some burnt umber acrylic I'm using to start to give some shape and detail and tone or value to the painting. That partly makes it clearer to see where I'm going, but also it starts to give some three-dimensional shape and tone. I can sort of see what's going on. You don't have to do this, but it can help you sort of break down the process of painting, so you're not thinking about colour at this stage, just getting a sense of the three-dimensional shape of things. I actually learnt how to do this by reading books by both Boris, whose art you may know, and Les Edwards, who's a British artist, both fantastic fantasy art painters, both working in oils. And I think I learnt to do this 25 years ago now, using what their books taught. And I remember trying to puzzle out from just the few images that they had what they were doing. But it's a really useful technique, but much easier to see it done in video. Here I'm just starting to sketch in the Kappa's very distinctive head. A great big hole in the middle here, and when we get to the painting stage I'll explain a little bit more about what I was trying to achieve with this distinctive look. Finally, I've gone over the underpainting with a dilute wash of oils in the colours that I'm going to use in the painting.